pH and fertility of soil. In order to grow any plants or crops in a soil, we have to maintain the pH of that soil. pH value 5.5 till 8 is considered as optimum pH for plant growth. pH value below 5.5 is considered as acidic, while above 8 it is considered as basic or alkaline. And if we talk about pH 3 or 2 or 1, it is considered as highly acidic and not suitable for the growth and development of plant. And pH value 13, 12, 14 are considered as highly basic or alkaline and are also not suitable for the growth and development of plants. Actually, acidic and basic, both kind of pH values make soil nutrient deficient. It makes it difficult for plant to absorb nutrients from the soil. As a result, the proper growth and development do not take place. What are some factors which alter the pH of soil? Usually, acidic soil is a major problem for farmers. Acid rain or spillage of any toxic or harmful material to the farmland makes the soil acidic. In order to grow plants on that soil, we have to treat the pH of soil that is acidic or control the acidic pH of soil. This is done by liming the soil. Now, what is liming? If your soil is acidic, you have to neutralize it by adding a base in it so that acid and base will react together and will form neutral substances, salt and water. So, liming is the process of adding mineral lime, that is a calcium containing mineral, to the soil. Lime is available in two different forms, that is calcium oxide which is a metal oxide, and as we know that metal oxides are basic in nature, and calcium hydroxide, which is also a base. So any of these two can be added to control the pH of soil. But adding too much base will also make the soil too much alkaline and again not suitable for plant development and its growth. Okay. There is a problem. A farmer added calcium hydroxide to treat the acidic pH of soil, and then he add fertilizer ammonium nitrate. Fertilizers are substances which enhances the fertility of soil. So these are added to get maximum plant production or crops. Fertilizer, the purpose of adding fertilizer is to get maximum crops. But when the farmer added calcium hydroxide, and immediately after adding calcium hydroxide he added fertilizer in the soil, but he did not get the expected harvest. So what is the reason? The reason behind this is bases can react with ammonium salts and produce ammonia gas. This upward arrow indicates the formation of gas, as well as salt, that is calcium nitrate in this case, and water. Plant needs nitrogen for its growth and development. The nitrogen which is provided in the form of fertilizer through ammonium nitrate salt. So this nitrogen, which was supposed to be utilized by plant, was escaped in the atmosphere due to its reaction with lime or calcium hydroxide, which was added to maintain the pH. So due to formation of ammonia gas, the fertilizer got wasted, and this is the reason behind a poor harvest. Now we will balance this equation. So what I'm doing is I'm writing the elements of this side, that is before arrow. There is only a single calcium, 2 nitrogens, 2 and 3, 5 oxygens, 4, 5, 6 hydrogens. And on this side there is also only a single calcium, 2 and 1, 3 nitrogen, and 3 2s are 6 and 1 7 oxygens, and 3 and 2 5 hydrogens. So in order to balance nitrogen first, I am going to add 2 here. So now there are total 4 nitrogen atoms on this side, and we can add 2 here. So now you can see there are 2 and 2, 4 nitrogen atoms on this side also. Now oxygens, there are 7 oxygens on this side and 5 oxygens on this side. Let's check the number of oxygens again. 2 and 2 3s are 6, 6 and 2, total 8 oxygens. 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. So we can add 2 here. Now we have 3 2s are 6, 7 8 oxygens also. What about hydrogens now? 2 and 2 4s are 8 10. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. 4 and 6 makes 10. So this is a way in which we can balance this equation.